Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're gonna be unboxing what I'm hoping is a very rare Yamaha R1. Now this one is not a licensed product, meaning it's not gonna say Yamaha or R1 anywhere, so it just looks like a custom R1. It's by a brand called Full Speed, who I've seen real licensed Yamaha motorcycles from before, but apparently for the R1 or this one there was none. It's a very strange item. The only reason why I even bought this was just pretty much just rarity. I've never seen one like this. I've been collecting motorcycles for a while and I've never really seen nothing at all like this one. Now just off the rip, basically I need to open this up this way. We have some tape right here, so I'll go ahead and cut the tape. Very unusual tape too. I've never really seen anybody ship item with all white tape, so that's a very nice touch. It also says here, this is actually the seller's name, so shout out to the seller. It says many thanks, vaya con Dios. So, you know, shout out to him. You know, anybody, I mean, I appreciate anybody who has their religious beliefs and stuff like that, you know. Yeah, so usually for the most part everybody is positive. So yeah, wow, okay. Alright, so we have this right here opened, and here we have a nice, very nice thank you letter. Okay, let's take a read at this. Thank you for your purchase. If you're satisfied, please take a moment and leave positive feedback. Please comment it through eBay. Seller link. Any issues? I gotta tell you, just to print this costs money. You know, just to print this is okay. I just bumped the mic. All right. Just to print this, you know, this is a very nice touch. But not only that, too, this costs money. So I'm very impressed by that from this seller. His shipping was very fast. He doesn't have to worry about it. I am for sure going to leave, you know, Mr. Vaya con Dios. I'm definitely going to leave him a positive feedback. But I already see what you guys came to see, and here it is, guys. It looks awesome already. I'm just gonna finish unwrapping this. Wow, here we have it, guys. It's really nice. Take a look at that, guys. All right, let's take a look at it from this side. One thing I really like about this, you know, it's really the color scheme. You know, white, red, and black. I mean, the paint doesn't look that great. The paint looks like something that I could probably do better via my own masking and stuff like that, but besides that, it's just super nice, super, you know, different. It has chrome everywhere. I do like chrome, you know, and I do like that and this is another reason why I bought it too. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out the box though before we even go any further though. Okay, there is pieces of tape over here. It has two pieces of tape on this side, so I'm assuming maybe they opened it before. It's not a big deal. Even if this item was pre-owned or used, it's listed as new, but even if this was pre-owned or new, it would not have mattered on the speed or whether I would have purchased this or not. Like, because that's how much I like this item. As soon as I saw it, it was like a no-brainer. So yeah, guys, so as soon as I saw this item, I pretty much went and pulled the plug really fast and went ahead and got it on this way. Alright, guys, so here we have it, and it looks really cool. You know, if you guys want to take a look at the front. Alright, guys, so here we have it. Looks very nice. Let's take a look at the blue at the front. You know, if you guys can see the blue on the you know what I'm saying, on the lights and even the windscreen. you know, it's like tinted blue. It just looks very, very cool. I really like that. I don't know what this what does it say there? I mean, right here it says speed. I don't know what it says right there. Oh, okay, yeah, it says 127. It's 127 and with an X like behind it. So I guess this is the X127. On the side, that's what we got. Back here, we have another decal here that says heavy metal. If you guys can see it, it says it right there, heavy metal. So yeah, guys, you know, a little bit more of the back. Some kind of number on the back. I'm guessing it's like simulating attack. Okay, so let's take a look now at the other side. Here we got the other side, guys, and looks pretty cool. Like I said, it's nothing too crazy and it's nothing out of this world. I do like that you know, that there's little, you know, things painted here and there, like that gloss black right there. You know, that's decent. That's a decent thing to do, you know, as far as parts. And I believe this whole plastic piece back here though is a little plain, so that could have been done. It could have been a little more detailed. But other than that, I mean, it's just pretty dope. Like I said, guys, I didn't buy this because this was a per se official Yamaha R1 or an official Yamaha product. It was more because this just looked like a custom motorcycle that just looked really cool, period. It just the way it looks, the lights, and like I said, very rare. I've never seen nothing like this, and I'm sure it's gonna add a little bit of a difference into my collection, which you guys may see a few that you guys already can pinpoint already what they are. But having a few of these that are like, you know, wild cards in your collection, meaning stuff that's like, whoa, what the hell is that? Where'd you get that? I love having stuff like that in my collection, and just having stuff that's rare and really hard to come by. So regardless of maybe how non-official this could be or whatever this is, I really liked this, and that's why I got it. And very rare item. I mean, you guys can let me know in the comments. I've purchased from these people before, the Full Speed motorcycle brand, and they've had licensed Yamaha stuff before, not on this one. But regardless of that, their stuff is not bad at all, and some of it is actually pretty different and pretty cool. So maybe you guys can let me know, is this a rare item? Have you guys seen this before? Is this trash? It doesn't matter, you can drop and let me know. And yeah, guys, appreciate everybody out there that's been subscribing and supporting the channel and putting likes, the whole nine. Really, I appreciate you guys. You know, as always, hope you guys are having the best day ever. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video up right here. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and get back to work on the next diecast car video, or the next diecast motorcycle video. And with that one, I'm outie, guys. Peace.